following reports of weather temperature and wind were made at 9 a.m. Greenville, a thunderstorm, 43, dew point 39, relative humidity 87%, wind east at 14, gusting to 20, pressure 29.98 inches and falling. Sulphur Springs, cloudy, 40, dew point 39, relative humidity 95%, wind northeast at 8, gusting to 17, pressure 30.05 inches and falling. Paris, light rain, 38, east at 17, gusting to 23, wind chill 28. Bonham, rain and fog 38, northeast at 14, gusting to 23, wind chill 30. McKinney, light rain, 40, east at 12, gusting to 22, wind chill 33. Carroll, light rain, 41, east at 16, gusting to 29, wind chill 33. Mineola, light rain, 41, east at 3. Mount Pleasant, partly sunny, 42, northeast at 9. Elsewhere around the region, DFW Airport, a thunderstorm, 41, east at 12. Sherman-Denison, rain, 37, northeast at 12, gusting to 23, wind chill 30. Tyler, rain and fog, 42, northeast at 15. Texarkana, light rain, 41, east at 12. Now let's check on your local